Multiple police agencies across southern Oregon working together tonight to tie a robbery suspect to a string of crimes from the Rogue Valley to the coast.
A Josephine County man was arrested last night in Curry County after police say he robbed a Subway there, and that's not all.
NBC5's Nicole Stein is live in studio with the details. Nicole?
Police say Alexander White robbed a Subway in Brookings last night around 8:30. Hours later, he was arrested at a motel in Gold Beach. Based on the crimes and White's description, police departments across southern Oregon are now working to connect him to as many as 4 robberies this month alone. Multiple robberies this month all seem to have some distinct similarities.
He had a bandana over his face.
His face was partially covered by a mask.
He had a covering over his face, like a dark bandana.
This description led police to arrest Alexander White Monday night in a Gold Beach motel.
We actually cordoned off the area, called the suspect inside the room, called him out, and he gave up without an incident.
Police say this wasn't his only crime. White is now being charged with robbing Subways in Medford and Grants Pass, too.
Once we started, getting the details of both cases and realizing that they're most likely the same suspect, it's really just a matter of trying to locate him. And then we got another lucky break when he struck again in Brookings.
They say the suspect only made off with less than $1,000 in Monday's robberies. Police believe the string of crimes may be tied to an expensive drug addiction.
We're glad to get him into custody. I mean, three robberies is very serious for around here.
Police are still investigating whether White is tied to a 4th robbery at a Papa Murphy's in Grants Pass. Meanwhile, White is in custody tonight in Curry County, facing robbery and burglary charges in 3 separate counties. Live in studio, Nicole Stein, NBC5 News.